Title: Gentle, the power of softness. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word gentle. Gentle is an adjective that describes a kind, tender, and considerate approach or behavior. It's an expression of compassion and softness. Pronunciation: pronouncing gentle is simple, gentle, with a soft G and a short E. Use in a sentence. For example, her gentle words and caring gestures provided comfort to those in need. Importance: gentleness is a quality that nurtures understanding, builds trust, and promotes harmonious relationships. It's a powerful force for good in the world. Conclusion: in summary, gentle is a word that represents the strength of kindness and compassion. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, be gentle in your interactions and make the world a little softer and kinder.